There are two different generic approaches to doing testing. One is black box testing. Black box testing uses tests designed based on knowledge of the behavior of the software, but not the detailed implementation. It is often called functional or behavioral testing. The idea is to test the what, but not the how. As an example, if you have an automotive cruise control, that system might behave differently at different speeds. A black box test might try different various speeds and different control combinations, but would have no idea if there are special cases inside the code that handle things. It might hit them, it might not. The advantage to a black box test is it can be written only based on the requirements or design. You don't need to know what's inside the code. You can just say, gee, does this thing do more or less what it's supposed to? Another advantage is that sometimes looking at the code makes you think a certain way, and black box testing is not subject to that particular bias. The disadvantage of black box testing is that it can be difficult to exercise all the code paths because you don't really know what's going on inside the code. You just know at the high functional level, you seem to be hitting all the high-level requirements. At the unit testing level, black box testing looks like basing tests on the detailed design. This means you would look at the flowchart or state chart and design tests just looking at the flowchart and state chart and confirm that the software behaves the way the design says it should.